Top 10 Best Luxury Nature Resorts in Bangalore, India, Part 1. In all seasons, it's one of the best cities for a city tour. It's well known for its modern metropolis, skyscrapers, parks, local palaces, nightlife, and status as India's IT hub. Everyone of all ages can find something to like here. Bangalore is a popular tourist destination. Welcome to Luxury Stays. Sit back and relax as we count down our luxury hotel and resort picks in Bangalore, India. Be sure to share with us which one you'd love to visit in the comments section down below. (10) Grand Mercure Bangalore, an Accor brand. The Grand Mercure Bangalore is a one-of-a-kind luxury all-suite hotel that offers the ideal experience for extended stay business travelers. The 126 elegantly furnished suites offer a variety of in-room amenities for stress-free extended visits. All of the suites are bright and large, with a separate balcony ideal for coffee mornings. A kitchenette guarantees you don't miss out on making any of your favourite meals. The suites, which are fully equipped, provide a convenient and comfortable environment for all guests. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $77 per night. (9) Taj West End. Taj West End, Bengaluru is a lush sanctuary in Bangalore. Nestled within 20 acres of vegetation and characterised by its historic legacy and colonial elegance. The Bronsons started it as a 10-room inn in 1887, and today it has 117 exquisite rooms and suites dotting the expansive landscape gardens, each with a stunning outlook. This ambient 5-star hotel in Bangalore is a great mix of the attractions of a bygone period and modern facilities and comforts. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $120 per night. (8) Vivanta, Bengaluru, Whitefield. Vivanta Bengaluru Whitefield is a contemporary business hotel in Bangalore that introduces global jet setters into a dynamic lifestyle at the heart of India's technological capital. It's located at the entrance to the International Tech Park in Bengaluru, 45 kilometers away from the airport. The 199 urban rooms and suites built for sophisticated business travelers to work, play and unwind appear to float on the green curve hovering between the earth and sky. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $85 per night. (7) Courtyard by Marriott, Bengaluru, Hebbal. At Courtyard Bengaluru Hebbal, you'll get 5-star service and conveniences. The hotel in Hebbal, Bangalore is surrounded by thick greenery and overlooks Nagavara Lake. It offers luxurious rooms, many of which have lovely views of Hebbal. Upgrade to a residence-inspired suite with magnificent lake views or an executive-level room to gain access to an exclusive lounge. Discover approximately 8,500 square feet of beautiful event space, ideal for meetings, weddings, and other occasions. Explore Bangalore's various surrounding shopping, dining, and entertainment options, or walk to Manyata Tech Park and Nagavara Lake. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $94 per night. Six. Sheraton Grand Bengaluru, Whitefield Hotel and Convention Centre. The 5-star Sheraton Grand Bengaluru Whitefield Hotel and Convention Centre is located in prestige Shantiniketan, Bangalore, and offers elegance and sophistication. Discover large hotel rooms and suites with excellent facilities, one-of-a-kind restaurants and bars serving delectable international and Indian cuisine, and a refreshing outdoor swimming pool with a 24-hour Sheraton Fitness Centre. Shine Spa rejuvenates you with outstanding body therapies and beauty services. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $113 per night. 5. Hilton Bangalore Embassy, GolfLinks. This hotel has an outdoor heated pool, a badminton court, a spa, a gym, a children's play area and a small library. Make yourself at home in one of the 247 tastefully decorated guest rooms, which come equipped with refrigerators and LED televisions. Deep soaking bathtubs and rainfall showers are included in the private bathrooms with separate bathtubs and showers. Phones as well as laptop compatible safes and desks are provided as conveniences. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $132 per night. 4. The Den, Bengaluru. The Den Bengaluru combines exquisite accommodation with elegant ambience to provide every visitor with the feeling of absolute relaxation. It's located in the prime commercial hub of Whitefield and offers world-class facilities. Whether for business or pleasure, the Den offers a stimulating setting where you can eat, work, sleep and play all under one roof. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $113 per night. Three, the Leela Palace, Bengaluru. Immerse yourself in this opulent palace that encourages you to take a stroll down memory lane. The grand setting reintroduces the opulence and magnificence associated with the erstwhile Vijayanagara Empire, while still providing modern conveniences. The magnificent establishment, conveniently located in the verdant garden city, guarantees visitors a supremely royal treatment, as well as the assurance of safety with Suraksha by the Leela. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $194 per night. 2. Shangri-La Bengaluru. Shangri-La Bengaluru is the ideal location for experiencing the charm and character of India's garden city. The hotel is well placed between the business sector and historic landmarks, perched high above the horizon and affording a bird's-eye view of Bangalore Palace. The hotel offers a calm respite for both work and leisure tourists, with panoramic views of the city from both the Horizon Club and Rooftop Club, Asian-inspired culinary sections and elegant facilities. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $157 per night. One, Four Seasons Hotel Bengaluru at Embassy 1. Rising in the heart of India's high-tech capital in the groundbreaking Embassy 1 development, Four Seasons presents a vibrant experience that reflects Bengaluru's innovative, entrepreneurial and cosmopolitan attitude. This is where the city comes to connect and be inspired, from the hotel's bustling restaurants and cafes to its quiet gardens. Prices for accommodation at this hotel start at $155 per night. And that concludes the top 10 list for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click on the subscribe button and like the video if you haven't already.